Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable profile picture guard in Facebook. So let's get right into it. First we will go in Facebook and here we will go in our profile. Once you reach to your profile, then you have to touch on your profile picture and here you will see some of option and you can select your right one. You have to go with turn on the profile picture guard. Once you will hit that option, you will see this type of window over the screen and then you have to hit on next. Hit on save and that's it guys. How to enable profile picture guard in Facebook. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.